Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have another haul video. We went a little crazy, and by we I mean me. And I got a box from Premier Yarns. So we're gonna open her up. Oh, that means I need a scissor, doesn't it? Aha, scissor, we're good. So I ordered a bunch of yarn from Premier Yarn. I want to show you guys what I got. I'm very excited about it. I don't know how these are going to look or what they're going to do, but they came in super duper fast. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Okay, online does not do these colors any justice, and I'm so excited about these. Ooh, extra plastic to protect from the rain. That's good. I didn't know what any of these colors were going to look like. I hadn't ordered these before, but I ordered a bunch of the Premier XLs because it was time. So all of them were in bags, which I really appreciate because every time I order a Premier order, it gets delivered when it's either raining or snowing. And it got delivered yesterday while it was snowing. So these are the first two. They're really pretty. I'm actually really happy with this pink. This pink looks so much better than it did online. This is the color Bubblegum. Yeah, that tracks. That's a really good color. All right, happy about that. This one is the color Lavender. And again, this looks like a lot more lavender than what it did on the website. I was a bit nervous about it with the color of the picture of it on the website, but that's like a true purple. I didn't think it was going to be. I was a bit nervous about how this color was going to come out. So happy about that. What else did I get? I got so many colors. We got, oh, this is a nice, like, deep purple. This is called Purple. It's a nice, deep purple. This one is just stunning. Tangerine. Yeah, that's pretty. This one, oh my god, this green. This is Emerald. I can't. They used to make this green in the Sparkle, the XL Shimmer, and I'm really, really sad that they discontinued that color. I have not been able to get yellow from Michaels, so that was the main reason why I ended up placing this giant Premier order, because I needed to make rainbow bees. And I could not get yellow from Michaels. I couldn't even order it online. So that's the right color. That's the color that I needed. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So I got 3 of them because I needed it, which is why I also then got black. I think this is black, yeah. On the yellow is the color Sunshine. This is the color Sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, lollipops and rainbows. That tracks. Oh no, the label's a little crunched on this one. This one's Key Lime. That's pretty. I'm running out of room to stack. And I also got just plain old white. Plain old white. So that way I can do these. And then I also got, oh, this pink is just so pretty too. So pretty. This is Fairy Pink. Yep, like that. Like that a lot. This is the color Goldenrod. Oh, this is like the perfect sunflower color. That's beautiful. And then this is Sky Blue. Yep, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I know a lot of people think that plastic is wasteful, but I really appreciate that Premier put all of these in plastic, because my last Michaels order that I ordered online to be delivered sat out in the rain. Again, apparently all my yarn packages get delivered when it's raining, and it ruined all the yarn that was inside. So I know, like, plastic is wasteful, but I appreciate that all my yarn is in plastic. So it may be a little wasteful, but my yarn didn't get ruined. And then I ordered 2 of the yellow chenille bloom because I need it for an order, for a pattern, for a thing that I'm working on. So I'm really excited about this. This is really, really cute. I'm excited about this one. that's everything I ordered. A lot of these colors are also going to complement the sprinkle that I have as well, the XL sprinkles. Let me get some of those so we can see some of those. In my last premiere order, I got some of the XL sprinkle colors. This one is the color Primary, and it's just this gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow. And then I also got the blue, which is Blueberry, also very pretty. And this one is the color Hummingbird. So these are going to complement these really, really well. Oh my God, look at how cute. I'm very excited. Or even with the purple. Okay, with the green, that's going to bring that out nicely. With the mint. Oh, yep, I'm excited about those. And then I also, the last time I got purple, I only have a little left. This is all I have left. I don't even remember what color this is. But I've used all this. This is what I had left from a flamingo. Because I made a flamingo with this color in this yarn. And it just came out so perfect, and it was so cute. But that was all I had left of that. So I'm really, really excited to get to start playing with all my new colors. I am very excited about this. These, and they feel good. They're gonna shed. If you don't like your yarn shedding, this yarn is not for you. I know a lot of people complain about the Sweet Snuggles colors shedding. Yeah, this is gonna do the same stuff. Any chenille that's like that is gonna do it. But it happens. That's a part of this soft, extra soft stuff. But I'm really excited about these. They're the same size as Sweet Snuggles. They're really comparable. And I think they're also going to work really nicely with some of those new multicolor Sweet Snuggles colors. So I'm really excited about this. This white is so soft. You know how sometimes some of them are softer than others? This white is really, really soft. There were a few colors that were out of stock that I also did want, like the brown. There were 2 browns I wanted. They were both out of stock, and they'd been out of stock for a while, and I couldn't wait any longer. I wanted to put this order in. So, c'est la vie on that one. When it comes back in stock, I guess I'll have to place another order. Oh no, I'll have to place another order. So sad. But I'm really excited about this for now. Is making me, I'm really excited to get to play with these. So if you liked this video, let me know. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Thank you so much, you guys. If you like this video, please let me know. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want to see me make with these things. And if you have any suggestions for this one or this one or that one, let me know, because I just want to look at them. I don't want to actually use them right now. They're just so pretty that I need to make things with them. I need to start using the yarns that I buy. So I'm very, very excited about these. They're going to make a perfect rainbow. I mean, look at this. This is going to make a really great rainbow. Ah! All right, maybe the orange is a little bright for the rest of the colors, but beautiful rainbow. Love that. Love that. Okay, well, ta-ta for now. Oh my God. All right, well, that was just said out loud. Okay, goodbye.